Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, May 27th. This is David, and I will be walking you through things here this evening. And, you know, one of the reasons that Henry and I keep focusing on these voodoo lines, which combine elements of Fibonacci and Elliott wave together in a single indicator, is that it's a great shorthand for doing all the work by hand. Right, and this week it has worked perfectly. These fire lines, which are the most important of the voodoo line levels, you can see here that Wednesday overnight we came back above this voodoo fire line, held it for support, and it's been up ever since. Right, so it just ratchets up beyond these levels, gets above this this voodoo skyline, tests it and holds, and then pushes up today through this upper skyline. Next test, maybe 12,855, so long as it can hold around this 12,460 area, right? And you know, if it does, then this will be the next test for an over/under. Now, the S&P 500 took a little longer, but today as well, that is also now up above its voodoo fire line, right? It comes in at 4083 cash S&P, and this is tremendously meaningful, right? So long as we're above here, I'm going to favor the upside, just like we're favoring the downside when we came and tested this for resistance the week before last, and that sent us down into the snow line low, right? Up to a skyline, down to a skyline, but it's worked its way back above this level, and I'm going to favor the upside so long as we stay above. I might allow some pullbacks that come a little bit below, but I'd want to see them quickly bought until we can see, you know, some sort of larger complete move from an Elliott wave standpoint. That would be something that would have something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, and after we do, it would be the pullbacks that would tell us whether we're turning right back down or continuing up. But more on that when and if we get a pullback. For now, so long as we hold 4083 here in the S&P 500, I am going to be continuing to look upwards in markets. That's what I have here for you this evening, and I look forward to seeing you at the next update. Until then, good trading.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me